actually doing this. I'm actually like trying to like get some books, and I'll show you the one that I actually already found, like this much, like just only one worm, I think. And let's find some more of these.
So we have to be very careful so we don't break it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
we can't like we can't like do that. Like,
you already killed all of them.
Oh, I see a ton right there, and then you blocked it.
There you go.
A ton right over
Here?
there.
It's nothing, right?
Yeah. There cannot be any
Warm.
warm.
We have to dig very, very deep hole.
Yeah, it's a very. What is this thing? Very deep hole. Oh, I can see a hole right there.
Yeah.
Right, yeah. No.
Oh, there's a new one?
No, it's not.
Okay.
Right there, right there.
没有拍在那。
Right there, right there, right there, right there. It's right over there. You see it?
I hope I can find one.
Yeah, you. Is there anything?
No?
Not yet. Okay.
No, but now let me
See.
try to find one.
See. Okay. Wait. I see something moves it. Oh.
Does it move there?
It was the branch. What? Probably like 11 of these, maybe.
为什么刚才我们都看那么多啊？
I don't know. Maybe you just need to dig straight down.
Oh, see here?
Oh yeah.
Oh, but it's
Oh,
broken.
but this is broken. It's.
Oh, see? 拍哪
Look
儿
at this. It's actually just. What's it? Where is it? It's right here. It's just broken. So we're just gonna leave it away. So if it's still like alive, he can actually still make a hole. Does he do?
Do you think I can find a new one?
I don't know.
It's a very, very deep hole.
There you
See?
go. Oh, I can see some.
Oh.
It's
broken
yeah,
again.
I saw that. Oh, two.
Oh, you found one?
2.
拍啊
We found 2. Like one right here. That's kind of perfect. Oh, just kidding. That's not perfect. Don't let it do. It's already dead.
Another one?
And then another one. This one. Wow. Wow.
It's broken again.
Wah. It's still a little bit alive, so I'm gonna put it right here. So
Okay.
it still can live.
这是他们家。
Yeah, we broke his home.
Okay.
I mean, can see. Ooh, I probably can't see anything. Oh, that's nothing. There's literally nothing. So let me know in the comments below if we're deep enough to find of these, like a lot. Last time I was really deep and I found like kind of like 30, like
30?
like
Maybe
30 of
40?
them. 30 like
And we fried it?
like and we fried it and fried them. My mom just actually just eated a leg. Yeah, that's something. Can't see anything. I was just like doing this because if I can see if any of these are in the sides. No,
Okay.
there's nothing.
Bye.
Bye. So if you enjoy these videos, make sure to check out these, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Woo.